Ano naman yan? Ang dami naman pag-ibig eh.
Ito pala yung walang kapsat ni Teta Tay. Tapos yung ina is si Dora. Okay, open. And then, saan ba kasi yun?
Ay, ba?
It's like just walking in a mug. Take out the trash. Ano yun? Ayun, what the fuck? What are you doing, man?
Kulo na po. Tiyang ano yan. Oh, puta na yan.
Sino ba to?
So, you're the new owners, huh?
Yes. Why? Who are you? Who are you?
Doesn't matter. But you made a mistake. A big one.
Ano ba yun?
Take your life and run. Before she notices.
Sino? Ay, pwedeng sumama? O, sumama na lang ako sa'yo, boy.
Oo.
Boy, sumama na lang ako, boy. Teka lang, boy.
Sumama rin ako. Teka lang.
Ay, take out the trash. Big mistake. Return to the store. Guys, baka magulat ako, guys. That came from inside. Did something for you.
Oh my God.
Ba't mo naman hinulog kasi yung sarili mo, ha? Bobo ka.
Mama! Mama!
And then, pupunta ako dun sa taas. No. I did not touch her. But I put her back now.
Ang kayang gago?
And I was blue. Lang kasi. Okay ka na.
Okay lang.
Ano nyo nga tap obraan nan? Tignan mo yung kasama ko, boy. Ayan guys,
Puta naman naglalagi. Naglalagak gagi.
Jesus. Okay, it's just a toy. I am just tired. Let's finish this and get out.
Ang gagi ko.
Ano, Tara? I need to stop that. Ano naman yan, boy? Hindi pa ba tapos? Alright, I should go.